Is he gonna do that? It's okay. I'm gonna watch you guys eat
This bumper 你係咪一個？有啊。
We're like yin and yang. Yeah. And Fabletics and then Uniqlo. Morning. So today I'm in Times Square at the minute. I'm not sure if you can tell by the background. I'm going to a yoga class now. It's quite early, and then I'm going to go to Chuman and meet up with my brother, and we're going to go bowling. So I'm going to bring you guys with me today. So let's go. Let's go. It's looking quite quiet at the minute. Well, actually, this is supposed to be quiet. This is supposed to be quiet. Here is my yoga time. Let's go. This could be a good class, I reckon. Strength and balance class. I'm a bit worried, but because my balancing isn't great. Beige and white, standard casing. Oh.
7.
I thought I drank this in strength for a second there. I was like, honey jasmine.
Behind the scenes.
I like this. Okay, when we
Not too sweet.
signature. Is it just pork?
Wang Yu is not like 通常有個王字。
Oh, Emma's smart. Oh my god. Wow, what's that one? Wow. Who ordered that one?
Me. It came with my noodles.
Wow. It's a set. Time to try, guys. I'm so hungry. I'm going to dig in. So that was filled with pork meat. And I really like the vinegar of that.
Do you want more of this? Yeah.
Loads of meat, and then I think there's some grains in there as well. You know, I like it with the vinegar. And then you just slurp up. It's a good portion, I think. 有好多嚿。其實我想死㗎。咁得意嘅你哋兩個，你係 so 異性。係喎，你兩個都係咁樣。
咩啊？
Time to try this again. I didn't show you guys. Okay 啊。跟住有少少 only pork。頭先 Emma 話唔似肉，我都覺得唔似。不過都難。Emma is Caesar in the house too.
Should be Caesar in the house. Should be Caesar in the house.
I'm 食完 lunch, late lunch 係好飽 so I'm ready to use my energy but we're gonna get a drink on our way Okay. Oh, this looks very authentic. This place. Oh, look at this. So cute. Oh, so much food here. Look at this. All this. 好多嘢食啊，荃灣。
2 weeks and I'm still doing.
嘢飲啊！
You can choose the tea and the milk and everything.
係咪一定要揀奶㗎？ Passion fruit 同埋 jasmine green tea， 我哋而家做緊 taste test。Emma 你 order 咗咩咧？
我 order 咗
Emma 都唔記得。
green tea and guava juice with aloe vera。
跟住我哋而家就試 taste test 好冇？有個我好中意個 cognac jelly。 個 topping Emma 都話好中意食 jelly， 同埋個味我嗌咗 half sugar， so 我就覺得都甜咗少少，不過都好飲。我 I would like have this again. It was really refreshing, really good. 個 tea base 係 jasmine and then Emma 就 take
呢個 no sugar 咯，冇咩 taste 咯。Can't really taste the guava juice. Can't really taste the green tea. But the aloe vera is sweet, so it tastes quite good.
有冇 topping 啊？
Aloe vera，
哦，就係 jelly 咋哦。
但係幾好食咯，佢嗰個 aloe vera。It's like quite sweet, so it's good.
係咁多先，
拜拜。
拜拜。Review go yesterday. Slowest eater eats first. The slow eater.
This is called Wender's Noodles.
To try this lime meal. Spicy 我有個 watercress. Emma 介紹，我好耐冇飲過，我以為我未飲過。And then all my inside Emma's favorite is going in. I love it. So I got the hot and sour.
A little bit spicy.
食食。
Getting my sour.
哇！嗰啲雜菜好食啊！
Oh my god.
唔係咁 soft 啊！你知唔知嗰間啊？我好中意食嗰米線，
Got the same
嗰個係 soft 啲啊！我唔係啊，我中意有啲 tenderness。
and I love
You bring a Monday kiss?
They're so good, guys. It's the best
Yeah, that is
flavor.
really nice.
Really well done. So, and I like my topping choices as well. I feel good, guys.
Good recommendation.
With the coriander. Yeah, thanks for the recommendation, Emma.